Are you ready to hit the water? Whether you're a pro or a beginner, you're going to love this board that I got from Genreen. I'm Gina with WTI. I love paddleboarding and I've been doing it for several seasons. Now, I can say that this board is well made and it is just like being on a wooden plank. This has 3 fins. That means it's going to be extremely stable and you're going to feel completely comfortable getting up on your feet to paddle around. I got the 11-foot board. This is 33 inches wide and 6 inches deep. My husband is 6'1", 200 pounds, and it was barely even going under the water. In fact, it can accommodate up to 450 pounds. I got the Monstera powder blue board. It's so pretty. It looks perfect in the water and it glides like a dream. I was really impressed that Genreen puts this through 5 different quality inspections to make sure that this board can handle any conditions you want to put it in, whether that's on a river, lake, or even out in the ocean. Now, we did pump this up with an electric pump, but it does come with a hand pump as well and a nice carrying bag, so you are good to go the moment this arrives in the mail. I'm really impressed with the rideability of this board. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.